Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Only Best. Guys, if you're just coming across my channel, guess what? You're welcome. Welcome to the family. You're welcome to Only Best Beauty Patente B. Okay, and for those of my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Like, you're the best. Okay, in today's video, we'll be dealing on Passaggio a Livello con Barriere e Semi-Barriere. We'll be dealing on this particular Passaggio a Livello. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay. Before we start, guys, share my video, okay, so that to get along to so many blacks out there, okay, so that they will know that such a thing exists. Okay, guys, let's make it easier for ourselves. Okay, now we are translating in English for you. Mind you, we are not taking anything out from this particular lesson. We are not adding anything, just as it is in your driving theory is what we are giving you, but rather we are translating this time in English for you to understand. Okay, just as it is, guys. Okay, Passaggio a Livello con Barriere e Semi-Barriere. Now, when you see Passaggio a Livello that has barriere and semi-barriere, you're going to see it with this particular sign. You're seeing here, it represents the one with barriere and the one with semi-barriere, okay? Just as seen in this photo, when you see it like this, it represents the one with barriere and the one with semi-barriere. Later in my next video, I'll be doing the one with senza barriere, the one without a barriere, for you to understand. But this one represents barriere e semi-barriere. Okay, guys? Whenever you see this particular sign, Signale di Pericolo, telling you 150 ahead, you're going to come across a Passaggio a Livello with barriere or with semi-barriere. È un segnale di pericolo che preannuncia di norma a 150 metri, un passaggio a livello. Now you see the sign 150 ahead telling you of a passaggio a livello. You know we are still on segnale di pericolo. Okay, this is segnale di pericolo, but now we are dealing on the one that has passaggio a livello con barriere and semi-barriere in it, which is this sign telling you 150 ahead of this particular Passaggio a Livello. That's a level crossing, okay, for trains, mind you. Attraversamento ferroviario, a crossing for trains, okay, con barriere o semi-barriere, indipendentemente dal numero di binari, okay, independently with their numbers of their tracks. Binary is tracks. Dopo il segnale raffigurato, after this particular segnale di pericolo, warning you of a passaggio a livello. Se ci sono le semi-barriere, è installato un dispositivo a luce rosse lampeggianti. Now, if there is a semi-barrier, you will see it with a what? A red light that is blinking, a blinking red light. When you come across passaggio a livello that has semi-barriere, you're going to see it with a blinking red light, guys. Okay, se ci sono le barriere. Now, when there's a barrier, remember, we are dealing on barriere and semi-barriere. Now, when there's a semi-barriere, you're going to see it, a passaggio a livello with a red blinking light. Semi-barriere. Now, when there's a barriere, this is a barriere, è installato un dispositivo a luce rossa fixa. You're going to see a fixed red light, not a blinking light this time around, but a fixed one. A red light fixed means it's not blinking, it's just fixed, you know. Okay. In presenza di segnale, in the presence of this signal, this passaggio a livello signal, è necessario moderare la velocità in relazione alla visibilità delle linee ferroviarie. Now, when you see this sign, passaggio a livello, when you see this sign, you have to moderate your speed according to your visibility of seeing these tracks, the train tracks. According to your visibility, you have to moderate your speed. Okay, guys, that's what it's trying to tell you. È fermarsi se ci sono una luce rossa fixa accesa. Now you have to stop if there is a fixed red light. If you meet a fixed red light, you have to stop. Due luci rosse lampeggianti in quello con semi-barriere. Now, when you're coming across a passaggio a livello con barriere, the one with barrier, you're going to see a fixed red light. Now, when you see that light, you have to stop. Now, in semi-barriere, you're going to see two lampeggianti, a blinking two red lights. Let me come again. When you are approaching passaggio a livello with barriers, you're going to see a fixed red light, meaning that it's fixed, it's not blinking, telling you to stop. Now, when it comes to the one with semi-barrier, you're going to see two this time around, but they are blinking, still red lights, but they are blinking, telling you to stop. Ok. Il dispositivo acustico accompagna in funzione also a bell. When you hear that bell ringing, it's still telling you to stop. A train is about to cross. Ok. O cavaletti a strisce bianche e rosse che sbarrano. Ok. Che sbarrano i binari. Or you're going to see this one. You're going to see this particular one at the binary. You see it closing. All these signs is still telling you to stop. When you see it like this, you have to stop. Just as you're seeing this red light here, this is con barriere. This particular picture is passaggio a livello con barriere. You're seeing this fixed light now. You see this particular red and white line street on this particular, what's it called? A barrier, okay? It's telling you to stop. This is con barriere. This particular one you're seeing here, che sbarrano, is this particular one that is telling you cavaletti. Okay, that's the name, cavaletti, guys. A strisce bianche or rosse. Rose, white and red. Now, when you see this particular one, it's still telling you to stop. Just as seen in the photo I showed you. Okay, guys. Non è consentito impegnare il passaggio a livello se il traffico intenso impedisce di sgomberare. Now, you're not allowed to approach passaggio a livello. You are not allowed to approach it if there is heavy traffic, okay, that will stop you from freeing that place on time. Do not climb it. Do not be on top of the binario if there's a heavy traffic that will stop you from freeing that binario on time, that passaggio a livello on time. Okay? If there's heavy traffic, do not approach it. Se i veicoli si ferma per avaria sul binario, now if your vehicle got spoiled on top of the tracks, the train tracks, il conducente deve adottare ogni iniziativa utile al fine di evitare incidenti. You must make sure that you carry out all the necessary things you're supposed to do to avoid accidents. Every necessary initiative to avoid accident, you are going to carry it out, okay, as a driver, if your vehicle spoil on top of the passaggio a livello. Now it says sono vietati, you are forbidden. Inversione di marcia, you're forbidden to do a U-turn, you're forbidden. La retromarcia, a reverse, you're forbidden. E la sosta, to park, you're forbidden. Il sorpasso si può effettuare se si rimane nel proprio senso di marcia. Now, you can carry an overtaking, okay, if you're still going to remain in your own lane, okay, you can carry an overtaking. Ossia, senza invadere la semicarreggiata opposta. If you're still going to remain on your own lane, why carrying your maneuver? Why carrying your overtaking? Why making an overtaking? If you're still going to remain on your own lane, you can overtake. That's what he's trying to tell you. Non è vero che è obbliga ad arrestarsi se le luci rosse posto in prossimità della barriere o della semi-barriere sono spenti. Now, it is not true, scusa, that you're obliged to stop, okay, if that red light that is being placed at the place with barrier or semi-barrier is off, is spoiled. Now, if the light is not functioning, if you don't meet red light, they know the function. You know the truth say, you will still stop. Like it impose you. Is they obliged for you to stop? No. If the light is not working, you're not obliged to stop. Ok, si trova dopo il segnale doppia croce di Sant'Andrea. And know that we say you they are obliged to stop. Okay. If you find this signal, doppia croce di Sant'Andrea, you know that we say after you find this particular sign, you go stop. Che si trova solamente nel passaggio a livello senza barriere. Because for passaggio a livello, barriere e semi-barriere, you will not find doppia croce di Sant'Andrea. So for those of you who doesn't know doppia croce di Sant'Andrea, this is it. You will not find this sign in passaggio a livello, the one that has barrier and the one that does not have barrier. So if they ask you that when you find this sign, it imposes you, it obliges you to stop when you find this sign in barriere or semi-barriere. No, because definitely you can't find it in these two places. You only find this one in senza barriere, passaggio a livello, senza, without any barrier, without any form of barrier. You're going to find this one. So I told you we're going to be treating this particular topic in the next video, the one without barrier, senza barriere. Okay, but we are dealing on semi-barrier and the one that has barrier. Now you won't find this sign in either of these two. Okay, guys. Okay, this is the end of this particular lesson. If you enjoyed my video, please give my video a like. Okay, guys, and of course, comment whatever thing you don't understand after the teaching and you still don't understand. Please try to leave a comment below and I'll treat it as soon as I see the message. Okay, guys. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do it to subscribe to my channel. If you're seeing my video for the first time, then you're lucky because we are going to be posting back-to-back videos, okay, explaining this thing, breaking it down the way we can, okay, for you to understand. Yeah, I'm trying to make sure of that. And I think I'm trying. I don't know. If I'm trying, leave it in the comment section. I want to know if I'm actually making sense. Okay, guys. But I know I'm trying to make it easier. But I don't know if I'm making sense because I wouldn't want to rush it and you're not understanding. Then I'm just teaching. Okay, I want to teach and I want you to understand. Thank you for watching. Do it to share my video. I love you. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.